Hi everyone, this is test 2, section 4, okay, 21 to 28 today, okay. So we have a line in the xy plane above. You can see that the line over here. Another line has a solution y equal ax plus b, but this line is perpendicular to line L and pass through the point P. So the line looks like this way. This is a perpendicular. This is y equals ax plus b. What is the value of b? That's can you find the value of b, which is y-intercept over here. B is over here, okay? Okay, first one, we have two variable a and b. So we need to find the slope of this line, okay? Okay, what is the slope of this line L? Okay, see that? Okay, you can use the formula, okay? 0 minus 1 over 4 minus 2. That's the slope of this line. So negative 1 over 2. Perpendicular this line, the slope is negatively reciprocal, which is 2. So a is 2. So we got equation is this 2x plus b. Now, next step is to find the value of b. How can you find the value of b? We need one point. Where is one point? This one. When x is 1, when x is 2, y is 1. Y is 1, when x is 2, 2 times 2 is 4 plus b. So b equals negative 3, okay? This point is negative 3. Choice D is the answer. Number 22, we have exponential equations. What is the value of 2k, not k, okay? Like underline over here. So we have to solve this one. So we need a common base is 2. We check, right, this number is a common base 2, right? 2 to the what? 6 power, okay? So exponent must be equals 3k minus 3 equals to 6, 3k equals 9, and k equals to 3. After that, you can print, right, the number in this to the k, okay? So 2 to the third power equals 8. So choice B is the answer, okay? All right, move on number 23. We have a graph f of x. So which of the following is true? When you see over here the absolute, so we're gonna find the graph of this one, y equal absolute f of x. How it looks like it? Positive is positive, but when you have a negative with these numbers, make it positive. Okay, the graph looks like this one. This is the x-axis. This is followed by the same positive. This is still absolute value f of x. From here, they're gonna be negative sign, okay? So we gotta make it positive. So opposite way, okay? So this one here, the graph looks like up here and move down, and all other one is the same graph. Okay? So which of the following is true? F0, where is F0? F0 is over here, right? That is a negative 2. F0, absolute. This is F0 absolute value, okay? That is a positive 2. But negative 2 is not greater than positive 2, okay? So second one, 2.2. Where is 2.2 here? This is the 2 around the point 2 over here. 2.2x, f of x is the negative. 2.2 absolute value is positive. But this is definitely greater than the other one, okay? So choice B is the answer, okay? Number 24, you have a systems, k is constant, but the system has no real solutions. That means what? No intersection. Maybe you can make a graph of this one. That is the easiest way, I think. When x equals 0, y equals to k, this value equals to k. But k, it doesn't have to be, okay, positive or negative, right? That's fine. It can be down over here or down over here. Anyway, in general, I'm going to show you this one. But where is y equals 5? This is y equals to 5. So we don't need right at intersections, okay? If we have intersection, that is the real solutions. So this value of k should be less than 5, okay? Then there are no intersections. So which number is less than 5? This is equal. They are greater. Only this number is less than 5, okay? So actually, if k is what this way, okay? Definitely you can see that no intersection. Okay, that is number 24. Move on number 25. EF are midpoint of two sides. This is midpoint. So this is 1, this is what 2, right? Something like this. So triangle CEF and triangle CBD, they are similar. Okay, you know that? Similar? This angle, right? This is the midpoint means what? These two lines are parallel, right? When you have this, we said mid-segment theorem. Okay, all right. So this is 1 to 2. The ratio of the lengths is similar, 1 to 2. What is the ratio of the area of these similars? 1 squared 2, 2 squared 1 to 4, right? If this area is k, the other area is what? 4 over k. Whole thing is 4 over k minus k is what? This say the region in terms of k is 3k. CF this is the area of 10. This area is how much? 3 times 30, right? Yeah, that's the answer. Okay. Choice distance, okay? Now move on number 26. X minus 5, x minus y equals 5 and xy equals 10. We're going to find, okay, x squared plus y squared. How to get this one? When you make a square, you got this one, okay? So x minus y squared, try this one. That is equals to anyway 25, okay? So this one gives us what? X squared plus y squared. But there's a little middle term, right? 2 times xy, that is equals to 25. But this product is given over here. That is 10. That is negative 20. Okay, so x squared plus y squared is plus 20 both sides. 45 is the answer. Okay, choice D is the answer. Right, move on number 27. So we have parallelogram. You know the property of parallelogram. Okay, when you make diagonals, this point is called what? Midpoint of these two diagonals, which is what? Bisect each other. Okay. So what is the midpoint over here? You can say that 1 plus 0 divided by 2 is 1 over 2. 10 plus negative 6 divided by 2 is 2, isn't it? That is the midpoint. Also, this is the midpoint of AC2. Okay, I'm going to take this as A and B. Okay, now let's find out. Okay, coordinate point C over here. Okay. First, try this A first. 8 times minus 3 and divided by 2 is midpoint of this point, okay? So 1 over 2. So times to both sides. A minus 3 equals to 1, A equals to 4, right? Which one is equals to 4? Only this one has x coordinate is 4, right? So choice B is the answer, okay? Maybe you can check, right, the next y coordinate. The number 28. What is the greatest possible value of A? Solution set. First, we have to find where is solutions. A squared minus B squared. I'm going to take this is A, this is B. It's a circle, right? So B equals 3. Where is B equals 3? The radius is 5. This is 5. Negative 5. 5. Negative 5. B equals 3 over here, a little lower than 5. Okay, this is B equals 3. Okay, less than 25 is inside the circles, and the B is greater than 3 above the graph. So this is solution set. So imperative many solutions are there. But we're going to find the greatest possible value of A. Where is A is what? X coordinate. At this point, it has the greatest possible value of A, right? This is the greatest possible value of B. Okay? The lowest possible value of A. But you're going to find this value from here. Okay, you can put this number B to 3 in the equation. It's okay, right? Okay, this is intersection is what? Into the here. So A squared plus 9 equals to 25. A squared is what? 16. A is what? Plus minus 4, right? So because we have a 1 4 over here, negative 4 over here, okay? That is the value of what? A, okay? That's right. If this is maybe x coordinate 4, what is called y coordinate? Still 3, okay? This is a 5. So the answer is 4 is the answer, okay? We move on number 29. We have a square and equilateral triangle. They're combined. The area of this triangle, this one is 25 rad 3. With this equilateral triangle, take this is what the side is S. You know that formula for the equilateral triangle area, okay? So you know that S squared times red 3 over 4, isn't it? That's the area of equilateral triangle, okay? This one equals to 25 red 3. So red 3, red is canceled out, times 4 both sides, you got this one, S squared is 100. So S is 10, right? Only positive of that. So this is 10, this is square another 10. The area of this square is 100, that's okay? Right, this is number 30 over here. So we're gonna find out average speed, okay? 327 hours, 327. Here is a 3, here is a 3, here is a 7. From here to here, right? So we're gonna make secant. The slope of this secant is called what? Average speed by definitions. How much this one? 400 minus 160, 240. This one 4 hours. Okay, 7 minus 3 is 4 hours. So 240 over 4, right? Total distance over total time between 3 and 7, that is equals to 60, okay? That's right. That is the average speed, okay? Or average rate of change, you can do that. Same meaning, okay? Number 30. This is number 31. I want to make it a little big, okay? That's better? Okay. Jackie goes 30 miles back. It takes what, 3 hours. Maybe 1 hour is what, 10 miles per hour, right? Kind of a speed. This is actual speed. At this rate, how many miles can ride 5 hours, 30 minutes? 30 minutes of 5.5 hours. We already got the speed there. Just multiply these two. It's going to travel distance, okay? 55 miles distance, okay? Or you can use right proportion too. 30 miles, it takes 3 hours. X miles, 5.5. Okay, that's the proportion because the same rate, same speed. Okay, so from here you can find the value of x. Still, this is 110 times 0.5 both sides. X equals 55. Okay, you can use this method too. Now, number 32, average of a set of 8 consecutive odd integers. That is 18. Average is 18. What is the greatest of these 8 integers? We have 8 number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is the middle, right? So this is what? Arithmetic. They increase by the same number, which is 2. Okay, so middle, this is the median, we said. This median always equals to average. Okay? Average is 18. This is 18. But this is what? Even number. The next number will be 19. Okay? They are all odd numbers. The next is 21, 2 more, 23, and 25. Okay? Right. This is what the answer, okay? Greatest number. All right, number 33. Okay. So we have two graphs. One is quadratic, the other one is linear, okay? So first one, about this graph. Make the line. Don't confuse, okay? Not quadratic. On this graph, for what value? This one you can use, okay, P is okay. F over P, some value of P to hide the y coordinate is negative 3. Where is it? This is negative 3 over here. So this point negative at this value, right? This value is how much? Negative 2, okay? So f over negative 2 equals negative 3. So g over k equals now negative 2. G over k equals negative 2. Now we're going to find the value of k. So this is g, okay? Where is negative 2? This is negative 2. We have two values of what? K there, okay? One is negative 1, the other one is positive 1, okay? But absolute value is still positive 1, okay? That's the answer. All right, move on number 34. X is to x of symmetry. This is the x of symmetry of this graph. You know that to find x symmetry, x equals, if you have this one, a x squared plus b x plus c. Okay, if this is y, x of symmetry negative b over 2a, not a, okay? Negative b over 2a, that is x of symmetry, that is equals to 2. B is what? Negative k, okay? So that is equals to positive k over 2 times a is 5, that is 10. That is equals to 2, okay? So that is 10 times both sides, k equals 20 is the answer, okay? Right, movement number 35. 20 grams of solution P. This is solution P. It is 20 grams. But out of this 20, 10% is alcohol, right? 10%. So 20 grams times 0.1 is 2 grams. This is alcohol. Now the next solution Q, this is solution, the name of solution Q is what? 30 grams. Okay? But out of this 30, 20%, 0.2, right? So 0.2 times 30 is what? 6 grams. And this is alcohol when they mix up. But total volume doesn't change, okay? 20 grams, 30 grams, 50 grams. But where is sum of alcohol? 8 grams. So what is the percent of solutions? This we said solute. Okay, this is the total, right? So the percent of this one, 8 over 50, that's the ratio times 100. Okay, so what is out? This is 2, we know that's 16% of solution, okay? That is a number 35. Here you go, number 36. A circle inscribed in there, in triangle. Okay, PQ is 3. This is 4. Quickly, this is a right triangle. It's going to be 5 over here, okay? But there are actually 3 different ways to solve this one. You can choose one, okay, one of that. I'm going to use the length. This is tangent, this is R, also this is R, right? I'm going to use the length. If this is R, so 3 minus R, this side is 3 minus R. Also, this is tangent, they're already equal, right? This is also 3 minus R. What is the length this one? 4 minus R. This length, right, the length of a tangent to a circle already equal, right? This is also 4 minus R. Sum of these two must be equals to 5. 3 plus 4 is 7 minus 2R equals to 5, okay? So this is 2, okay? So R is 1 is this, okay? Or you can use the area, okay? You can use this area. You can divide by 3 different triangles this way. The area of this triangle is 3 times 4 is what? 12 and divided by 2 is 6. That's the area, right? Or you can use what? 12 over 2. What is the area of this one? 3 times R over 2, right? What is the area of this one? 4 is the base, R is the height, 4R over 2. The next one is what? 5 times R over 2. That must be equal, right? So all tweet out, this is how much? 12R, 12 equals 12R. So R equals what? 1, okay? That's the answer. You can use the method. The other one you don't need, okay? I think that is a little, okay, difficult way. Right, number 37. Total cost of internet phone call is some of basic fixed charge. This is the one times. I'm going to use this is A. This is a fixed one. That is not rate. The next one is the rate. Okay, each minute. So it comes with a number of minutes. This is B dollars, but this one has minute. Okay, that is the rate. So 20 minutes phone call is 24. You can set up this one. Fixed one A plus 20 minutes. This is each minute is B 20 times B. That costs what? $24. A second one is 35 minutes. So A plus 35 B equals to 31.50. Okay, we got 2 equations. It's a system of equations. Okay, now we're gonna find the value of what? A over here. Fixed charge is what? A. It's okay. How can you find it? After you find the B, find the B. That is okay to subtract. But this is a big number. We're going to write subtract the bottom to the top. Okay, 35B minus 20B is about 15B. 3150 minus 24 is 7.50. So B equals what? 0.5, okay? This is a 0.5, 20 times 0.5 is 10. So A equals how much? 24 minus 10, right? This is moved to the right. 24 minus 10 is 14. So A equals 14. B equals 0.5, okay? So that's the answer. Right, number 38, what is total cost and WP he used, right? It's 40 minutes phone call. So base is what? Okay, this is number 38. What is total cost in dollars of 40 minutes? Okay, basic will be $14 and 40 times $4.5. how much total is here? 14 plus 20, right? This is 20. Total is what? $34. Okay, that's the answer. Okay, okay, that's all. Section 4. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for joining the class. Okay.